Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The bearish sentiment for the Australian dollar still holds and still looks at this level of 69.25. Now if the bears do pull the trigger, it does reopen the downside to 68.45 to 65 with the objective at 67.70. But there is still a couple of hurdles on the way down though, with the immediate target from 69.25 to 68.45 and also where the 60-day moving average comes in, which is roughly around 68.67. So right where the support is at 68.45 to 65, which could see a little bit of profit taking. But nevertheless, MACD and also the RSI is nearly marrying up to support the bearish case with any advances to fail towards 69.75. The euro's finding a little bit more momentum overnight after the US dollar weakened slightly and also rejecting from the level of 111.25.45. It is assessed though any advances towards 112.15 to 112.55.75 will again find a struggle, at least like from previously, and therefore keeps the market on track for a potential bear move and look towards that level of 111.25. A break there reopens the downside to 109.55. The dollar yen has staged a mild recovery as profit taking comes in from 107.50.70. It is assessed though from the resistance of 108.55.80 to serve as a cap and do expect to see a rejection from there and look back to the downside and re-challenge this bottom level around 107.50.70 as the geopolitical risks still remain due to the US and Iran tension after the US took a hit and killed a high general in Iran. Still, the conflict between the two sides continues. No doubt the market will be on its guard. And also, not to forget, the impeachment trials also start for the president this week. The outlook for the pound is now neutral after the market still seems to be whipsawing around this level regarding around 130.5 to 140.5. So I'd rather refrain from any call at the moment. Gold outlook is showing a pullback, and as you can see, looking towards a level of 1,550 after a blow-off move up to 1,588. I do expect to see this pullback and then maybe a recovery from there. Wrapping up with oil, the market is now retracted itself from the highs and now looking back towards the support seen at 60.35 to 61.90. From around that low base of $61 a barrel, I do expect to see the market to retrace and maybe head on towards 63.85, where it briefly traded, and above 64 and look towards 64.90 as a target. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report and I hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.